Welcome back, traders, to TP Success. And on this episode, we are going to be talking about Euro USD. Today is a big day. We have NFP, we have unemployment rate, we have ISM services PMI, and we have average hourly earnings. This is on the fundamental side. So with that said, we have a lot to talk about. So let's get straight into it. Welcome back, traders. So we're going to get straight into the business of the day, which is Euro USD, swing trading, technical analysis. And we're going to kind of pick up from where we left off. The reason why I say kind of is I've been gone a little while in terms of posting videos on this channel. All it is that I can say is that I'm doing a lot of extensive work as to how I can make things better for you guys watching, right? And because of that, it requires me to spend more time studying, learning how to put things together. Bear with me. I'm going to be releasing videos as often as I can, but one thing that I can promise you is that after November you're going to be getting videos a lot more frequent, so you're going to be back to daily videos. All right, so now that I've gotten that out of the way, let's get into the analysis for today. So as it stands, Euro USD, it's in an uptrend. There is a lot of consolidation going on the top side right now. It does increase the probability the price will be breaking down. Whether it breaks down or not, that we don't know, but what we do know is that we have a bunch of data coming out today that is supposed to come out today, but because the US government is in shutdown right now, we don't know if it will be coming out today. So the data that we're looking out for is average hourly earnings, NFP, unemployment rate, and ISM services PMI. We don't know if these data is coming out today. It may or may not. So as I like to do things, I will run off the assumption that it is going to be coming out today, and we'll see if it comes out or not, right? That's the bare minimum of what I could do or what we could do as we work on getting as much profits as we can out of the market. So with that said, first things first is we're going to drop on the anchored volume profile. This is my favorite tool to use in markets. It is super useful. So we're going to drop that in right here. Okay. So now that that's in there, we can kind of see what is going on in the market right now in terms of the high value areas where people are doing the most amount of business and the low value areas where people are doing the least amount of business. I'm going to be pointing out these areas over to you so you can make your preparations accordingly. So as it stands right now, there are two levels of interest to me based on what market is doing right now. So looking at the uptrend of Euro USD right now, I'm expecting price to start to come down just because I'm seeing a lot of consolidation on the top side of market right now. So because of that, I'm expecting price to come down. Whether price comes down or not, that is what we'll find out. But what I will say is this: there are two levels that we want to keep an eye on as price does what price is going to do. So first things first is, let me highlight these areas for you. So the first one is the most recent swing high, and that is currently sitting at 1.19230. okay, and the most recent swing low, which is currently sitting at 1.13872. and from this zone right here, okay, which I'm going to highlight in blue, and to this zone right here, we have a low volume node, right? So let me make this blue. So in these two areas right here, okay, so that is 1.16268 and 1.14305, we have a low volume node. Okay, so price could easily tap into this zone and move away should we get news or not get news. It could respond in this area right here. Okay, and if it does, then obviously we have a rough idea what we kind of need to be doing, which is either putting in longs or waiting. But the best level to jump in on, in my opinion, would be either you take longs from above 1.19230 because the swing high would have been taken out and it pretty much confirms it's going to keep going up, right? Or you wait for 1.13872 to be taken out, which means there's a high possibility the price will be falling. And this area, this low volume node area right here, this is what will give us that signal to let us know what we should be doing. Okay, so we will get the signal in here, and then for the buys we wait for this to be taken out. We will get the signal in here, and for the sells we wait for this to be taken out. And that's how I would play it today based on what it is that I'm seeing and how I am seeing it. Now, in terms of everything else that could be happening today, there isn't really going to be that much, in my opinion, right? There isn't really going to be that much because market behavior is going to be relatively self-explanatory as to what to do and how to do it. So with that in mind, I will wish you guys all the best with your trades for this afternoon. Make sure that you take your time, exercise patience, and don't FOMO into anything. Wait for the conditions to be met before you jump in. With that said, I will see you all on the next one.